Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a public group in Salesforce and add users to it. This is a simple yet powerful way to organize teams, departments, and manage permissions efficiently across your organization. First, log into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have the right administrative permissions because you'll need them to create groups and manage users. Once you're in, look at the top right corner and click the gear icon. This opens your settings menu where you can customize and manage Salesforce features. From here, select Advanced Setup to access the full range of configuration options. Next, in the Setup menu, you'll see a search bar called Quick Find on the left. Type in Public Groups and hit Enter. This will take you directly to the Public Groups page. If prompted, switch to Salesforce Classic for more options related to group management. On the Public Groups page, click the New button at the top. Now it's time to create your group. Start by giving it a descriptive name, something clear that shows the group's purpose or department. Once your group is named, it's time to add members. Use the drop-down menu to select the type of members. This can be individual users, specific roles, or even other groups. Search for the users or roles you want to include, select them, and click Add. You'll see them move into the selected members list, showing they're now part of your group. Finally, hit save, and just like that, your new public group is ready to go. You can now use it to assign permissions, manage access, and make your organization run smoother. Creating public groups in Salesforce is a small step that can make a huge difference in efficiency and organization. Give it a try and start streamlining your workflows today.